Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking with Mr Howard and my special assistant, Chef Layla. No, I'm just kidding guys, we're doing maths today, but we are going to be doing maths with food. And all this week we're going to be working on fractions and especially halves. Isn't that right, Layla? Halves. So 1/2 of something. And I know we've done this in the past of 1/2 of something solid like a shape or a cake or a pizza. And you guys just listened to the book, Give Me Half. And we saw lots of different halves in that. And we're going to look at some now. So our first one is, so I have an apple here. Layla, have you seen my apple? And what we're going to do is we're going to cut the apple in half. So I cut the apple in half and look at that. We have 2 halves of an apple. Layla, would you like that half? So that's one way we can have a half of something. Another way we can have a half of something is maybe a liquid, and we saw this in the book as well. So I have some soy milk in my glass here. Oh, is that yum, Layla? And I'm going to pour half into one glass, and I'm going to pour the other half into the other glass. How close can I get this? There we go, look at that. Both equal, half each. So we can have 2 halves of our liquid, we can have 2 halves of our apple. And another way we can have a half is that if we have some things, I've got pasta, and we can make it into 2 halves, so 2 equal groups. So I'll put one here and one there. Oops. One here and one there. One here and one there. One here, one there. One here, one there. One here, one there. One here, one there. One here and one there. And one here and one there. And so now we have a collection of objects that has been put into 2 halves. It's been 2 groups, it's in half. So we have half of our group pasta, we've got half of our soy milk, we've got half of our apple, and we've put all of these things into 2 halves. It's pretty interesting. And we saw all of this type of thing in the book we were reading today, Give Me Half. So your job today, guys, is to go through your house and to find things that you can make into 2 halves. Maybe you've got an apple, maybe you've got some pasta, or maybe you've got some liquid or something. Maybe you've got some toys. And so what I want you to do is to just find things that you can make into 2 halves. Maybe take some pictures or you can draw it. But I want you to have fun with it. All right, guys. Bye-bye.